Jesse just blasted through some little rapids back there.
Oh, now I am.
You're videoing?
Yeah.
Okay. I want to see how the kayak's sitting. We ate and drank some of our stuff, but I guess it's still in us. We ain't pooped, we peed. So yeah, this has been the most comfortable kayak trip I've ever had.
Yeah.
Even with all our terrible getting out and walking and dragging. Super stable. I've been in and out of this thing 1,000,000 times today. It's not fast at all, but it's super stable with lots of room. Big old cooler that we didn't actually need, but we got about 36 pounds of stuff on here, and I am actually 201 pounds. So yeah, it's got quite a bit on it. We're done. So dang, I start to say we're done kayaking and Jesse boy hit stop on the recording the video. So we did our maiden voyage the other day, and it was super fun but also super terrible. I should have investigated Cedar Creek a little bit better. I figured there'd be some walking and dragging, but there was a lot of walking and dragging. I should have known. We haven't had any rain quite a while. Everything's dry, grass is crunchy, not growing much. So it's all my own fault, but it was still a good adventure. I mean, by the end, I was tired of getting in and out of the kayak, which it was very easy and nice getting out of this thing, but 1,000,000 times was too much. So we went I think a little over 7 miles. It took us 8 hours to do that. So I liked everything. This was the most comfy kayak trip I've ever had, with this chair and the seat. Loved it. And I measured a little over 36 pounds of stuff that I was hauling, and I actually threw a few other things in after I measured, a Bluetooth speaker and some other things. So I'm just gonna call it 40 pounds that I was hauling. The kayak's 45, so 85 pounds I had to drag across rocks 1,000,000 times. And I'm 200 pounds. Thought I was under 200, but I'll try to show the bottom of this thing. Not sure how good on camera it will look, but it took a lot of scratchings. So I think I'm going to do some keel guard stuff. Maybe Kydex, maybe PVC, maybe some of both. Let's see what else. I'll get in it real quick. Oh, so I'm 6 foot. I got my butt all the way back in the seat. I'm on the second to last thing. My knees are a little bent. If I want to be straight-legged, I'm barely touching the last foot peg thing. Or if I want to chill and almost lay back, which I can, then my feet still go on that last peg good. Let's see, what else? Oh, a drain plug. It's got this cheap basic rubber stopper type of drain plug. I pulled that and I did not get one single drop of water from out of the inside, which would be any screw holes leaking. I'm going to like marine goop, marine caulk, seal every single screw on here. And my one complaint about this kayak is that the handles, this phone holder, and the foot pegs all have this like rivet thing. First I thought it was an Allen head, maybe stripped out, but it's like a big old rivet. And that's what the foot pegs are on, which those are fine. I thought about putting a non-hard handle. It's like the cloth connection, the hard plastic in the middle. So any of these things would have to be dremeled off. Everything else is normal screws. And then anybody out there that knows stuff, wondering what this little pluggy cap thing might be for. I put Velcro for my skull hood ornament. So you can't see the Pelican thing there, that's Velcro. Let's see, what else? Oh yeah, those rivets. I don't know why they would do that. I still need a vest and a paddle. I think I need a 250 centimeter paddle. When I was sitting up straight, the paddle I used was like 7.5 feet or something. And if I sat up straight, it felt really short. It felt like I needed a longer paddle. If I leaned way back, scooted down, and, you know, sat back super casual, the paddle felt perfect length. But sitting up, short. So I'm gonna get a 250, I think. I made up some kayak equipment for this. I'll make a separate video about that. I think I can fit an 8-inch hatch right here. I'm not sure the outside diameter of the 8-inch hatch, but I've got like a foot here. Better. And it's really deep there. I might even try to put a bulkhead inside here, so this is its own separate little thing. And what else? Let me look at my notes. And then I might do some little netting deals here at the bottle holder thingies, bottle holder notches. Other than scupper plugs, I need scupper plugs too. I think that's about it. I'm super happy with this purchase. Glad I did it. The chair was great. I can't say enough about the chair. So, probably be more yak videos to come. I don't think I'm forgetting anything. So yeah, Pelican Rally 100 XP 10 foot. I think it's about the same kayak as maybe a Sentinel and a Rebel from Pelican. They just call them different names. Maybe there's some Angler, except I don't have rod holders and there's no rails where there could be rails there. So yeah, 253 bucks. I'm very happy with it. Thank you for watching.